Dre Karakot is our best player of the game with 29 points today. Congratulations, Dre. Bago itong laro na to, you were just averaging 7 points a game on the average. What opportunities presented itself to you at talagang tinake advantage mo para magawa yung performance na ganyan?
Naging consistent ako sa practice. And alam ko may game na papasok talaga yung tira ko. And ito yung game na pumapasok talaga. So, thank God.
Dre, 2016 pa huling nakatalo ng rain or shine ang San Miguel Beermen in a playoffs game. How important is winning this ngayong papupunta na kayong semifinals?
Siyempre masaya. Matagal-tagal hindi namin tinalo yung SMB sa ganitong series. And kailangan pa magtrabaho para sa semifinals kasi alam namin na hindi magiging madali.